Welcome to the video Create Multi-Module Maven Project in Eclipse with me, Nam Haming from CodeJava.net. In this video, I will guide you how to create a multi-module Maven project in Eclipse with this development scenario. Suppose that we need to develop two different applications, console application and desktop application. Each has its own code, and these two applications need to use a shared library that contains the common code. So we will need to create three projects. The first one is for the shared library, and the second one is for the console application. The third one is for the desktop application. And you will learn how to create a root Maven project that contains these three sub-projects, and how to use the shared library from the project number 2 and project number 3. So we will create the root project, the company project that contains three sub-projects, which has three sub-modules. Module number 1 is for the shared library project, and module number 2 is for the console application project, and module number 3 is for the desktop application project. And note that the packaging type of the root project must be POM, so it will be able to contain sub-modules. And all the three sub-modules has a packaging type of jar here. And you see the shared library project is for the common code between console and desktop applications. Alright, let's start coding. You see Eclipse IDE on my computer, and as you can see, I'm using Eclipse version 2012 here. And create a new Maven project, or go to the menu file, new Maven project here, and check the option to create a simple project. Use the default workspace location and click next, and enter the group ID, for example net.codejava artifact ID my company. And note that the packaging type of the root project must be of type POM, so it will contain submodules. Name my company, description root project, and click finish. Okay, then we have the root project my company got created here. This is a very simple Maven project, not a Java project. Then open the POM XML file here. Okay, you see. And for this POM project here, we can declare the module section here. And the first module has the name is shared library, and we need to create a shared library directory under the project here. So right click new folder, and the folder name is the shared library here. Finished. And then we create the second project, which is the first module in this root project. So click menu file, new Maven project, create a simple project, and note that you should uncheck use the default workspace location and choose a directory that is the directory for the shared library project here, and click next and enter the group ID, for example net.codejava.library, and artifact ID is shared library, and the packaging type default is jar. Name shared library, common code library. Okay, and click finish. Okay, and you see we got the second project created here, which is a module in the root project, shared library, and we need to configure it a little bit, change the Java version. Right click, properties, Java view path, libraries, and I need to change Java version from 1.5 to 1.8 here. Okay, finish, apply. Okay, make sure that the Java compiler version is 1.8 or newer. Okay, and open this POM XML file here, you see, and create a new Java package here, new package net.codejava.library, and create a library class here. For example, string ut finish, and in this class we have a very simple method, public static string. This method we reverse the content of a string for the given input string here. Now for simplicity we just return the input itself. Okay, save the change. Now we can build the project. Right click on the root project, my company here, run as, and you can see the whole Maven install here. And we got an error, build failure here, because the short option is no longer supported. Short option file is no longer supported. You need to clean the project. Project clean here. Okay, and run again. Okay, you see build success, and it builds a share library project and generate the jar file for the share project share library here. You see. Now let's create the second project, which is for the console application. So create new project here, new Maven project. Sorry, we need to specify the second module in the POM XML of the root project here. The module name is console app, and then we also create a directory under the root project here, new folder, console app. Okay, and then create a new Maven project here. Next group ID is net.codejava.console, artifact ID, console app, and packaging type use the default jar name, console app, command line application, and click finish. You see, I got the project created outside the root directory here, which is not expected. So when create the project, you should specify the location directory. So let me delete this project. Delete content. Okay, and create again new Maven project here. net.codejava.console, artifact ID is console app, name console app, command line application. Okay, and uncheck this option, and you need to specify the directory for the console app here. Select folder. Okay, so this is very important. You need to specify the location for the project, which is a directory under the root project, and next and finish. And then we got the console app project appears under the console app directory under the root project here, and change the Java version to 1.8. Java path. Okay, and then open its Maven XML file, pom.xml file here. And in this console application project, we need to use the share library. So here we can declare dependency. Dependencies refer to the share library project here, dependency, and then you can copy the dependency information from the POM XML of the share library here, group ID, artifact ID, and version number, and paste here, and save the change, and you will see Maven we refer to the share library project here. Perfect. And then we create a new package here and write some code. net.codejava.console and create a new class console app. Create a main method, finish, and then in this very simple console application we will use the shell library string ut class here, the reverse method that reverse the content of a string here. Okay, firstly we need to read the input from the command line, so we create a new scanner object, scanner, new scanner with the system input stream here, and we print something first, input, and then we read the value from the command line and assign to a string variable, string input equal scanner read next line, and then just close the scanner, and then we call the method of the string ut class, string ut reverse here, passing the input here, and it will return the output, and then we print the output. Okay, that's it, very simple. So as you will see in this console project, we can use the shared code string ut here, and because we declare the dependency for the shell library project here. Okay, now we can run this console application. Right click, run as Java application. Okay, and enter input hello Java, enter, and you can see it prints the same string, because in the string ut class we don't do anything, just return the input. Now let me update the code to create a reverse string builder, yes, builder equal new string builder, and we iterate through the all characters from the input string from last to one for integer I equal input length -1, and I greater than or equal to 0, and decrease the value of I by 1, and then I append each character to this string builder, append input at index I here, and return the string value of the builder as builder to string. That's it, very simple. Now let's run the console application again. Console app, input hello Java, and you can see it prints a reverse string here. Perfect, right? And with Maven you can also build a whole root project here. Right click on the root project, my company, run as Maven install here to build the whole project, and we got error because the source option file is in the console app here. Just clean the projects. Okay, and run again. Now we got an error here. Okay, Maven run as install. To fix this issue, just clean the project, wait when it clean the project, and run the command again. Run as Maven clean. Okay, success, and then run as Maven install. We got error because the source option file is no longer supported. Use 7 or later. Right click on the console app project here, Maven update project, just clean the project and refresh workspace here. Okay, now I'll run again. And we do the same for the shell library. Maven update project, just clean the project and refresh workspace. Okay, and now I'll run as again and run Maven install, and this time it will success. Clean all the projects again. Okay, refresh. Okay, and run as Maven install again. Okay, build success. Now you can see all the 3 projects, shell library, console app have been built successfully. Now let's create another project for the desktop application. So open the POM XML file of the root project, my company project here, and specify the third module for this project here, which is the desktop app, and create a new directory, desktop app, under the project root directory here, desktop app, and finish. And then create a new Maven project, and create a simple project and uncheck use the default workspace option and choose the desktop app directory here for the project. Next, and group ID net.codejava.desktop artifact ID desktop app packaging type jar name desktop project swing application, and click finish. And then we got the third Java project, desktop app project got created here, and open its POM XML file. And in this desktop application we also need to use the shared library, so copy the same code dependency in the console project here and paste here. Okay, so in the desktop project we also can use the shared library here and change the Java version from 1.5 to 1.8. Okay, and create a new Java package net.codejava.desktop, and create a new Java class here, desktop app, and check this option to create the main method. And for a swing application, the super class is the JFrame. Okay, and we got the desktop app class created here. Alright, so I have some code for this swing application here, and note that the section that the code snippet that uses the shell library string ut class to reverse string input here and display the output in a text field here. Okay, let me run this application, a swing application, run as Java application, and you can see this is the user interface of a desktop application, and I enter the input string is hello code Java and click the reverse button, and you can see the reverse output here. Perfect. Close to exit the application. Okay, and to build the whole project, firstly we need to clean the desktop app project clean, and right click on the root project and run as Maven install. We got failure for the desktop project because Maven has not updated clean the project, so you may need to wait for a moment, or clean again a project. Clean desktop app here, clean, and run the Maven install go again. Okay, this time it will success all the 3 projects: share library, console app, desktop project. Perfect. So far you have learned how to create a multi-module Maven project in Eclipse. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share this video. Thanks for watching.